Hey, what is up guys? It is Technology Hell back here. Welcome back to another video. Our today's video is something really special as we are going to build our own subwoofer's enclosure. I got this subwoofer from the aftermarket which costed me around 1000 rupees and this is quite good as its price. So we'll be building up an enclosure today and we will see how it's performing. So let's begin.
Everything changes.
Okay guys, so our subwoofer is ready. We have constructed it and it is ready for use. And now it's time that we go ahead and see how it is performing. I don't have a dedicated amplifier and a capacitor for my subwoofer, but I have this cassette player. Wait, now you'll have a question. Seriously, a cassette player running with a subwoofer? Yes, because it has rated 960 watts output and it has a dedicated mode for subwoofers and a proper bass control with an audio visualizer. So let me just show you the complete setup for the test. Here we have our amplifier. We have a smartphone with an aux cable connected to the amplifier for playing the bass boosted songs, our subwoofer, and the cables are quite simple. One for connecting the audio input and two for giving the audio output with a wire for supplying power to the amplifier. For the test we have brought two songs. One is Warrior Mortals and the other is Fearless. Both of them are bass boosted and are perfect for our needs. So let's quickly power everything up. Okay guys, so let's begin with the first song. So guys, I have some special settings for a subwoofer in this amplifier. Let me just introduce you to them. Here you can see there a button named BBS, that is for a special subwoofer, and that's what we are going to activate. And this is going to bring a deep change in the amount of bass produced. So let's switch back to the subwoofer. So the volume is coming up. In this mode, the song is going down and the bass is coming up. So the first song is done. Now we need to move on to the second song, which is Fearless. So let's start. The subwoofer performed really well. I did not expect that a self-made subwoofer will be performing in this manner. Really, I had no chance that it would be going so good. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you hit the like button, and if you are interested in such stuffs, don't forget to subscribe my channel as we are coming up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.